In markets and corner shops everywhere, a quiet revolution is underway. One powered by seamless digital payments. At the center of this transformation is Pine Labs, a company that has become essential to modern commerce. More than just a card machine, Pine Labs is a digital bridge connecting merchants to the digital economy. From large retail chains to small family stalls, Pine Labs empowers businesses to accept a wide range of payments and reach more customers. Its technology operates behind the scenes, making millions of transactions effortless every day. Pine Labs has created a common language for transactions, fostering trust and economic activity nationwide. Today, we'll explore how Pine Labs evolved from a simple idea into a fintech powerhouse. We'll trace its journey, meet the people it's impacted, and see how it's reshaped business across the nation. This is the story of Pine Labs, a testament to technology's power to change how we live and work. Join us as we uncover the roots, growth, and future of this remarkable company. Welcome to the world of Pine Labs. Every great venture starts with a simple idea, and Pine Labs is no exception. Founded in 1998, Pine Labs began by solving a specific problem, helping retailers manage loyalty programs and gift cards more efficiently. The founders saw retailers struggling with fragmented systems, one for billing, another for loyalty, and yet another for payments. Pine Labs set out to unify these functions, creating a single platform that could handle everything from payments to promotions. Their first big step was building automated solutions for petroleum companies to manage fleet cards, bringing efficiency to a complex process. This early focus on solving real business problems laid the foundation for Pine Labs' future. Instead of targeting consumers, Pine Labs empowered merchants, giving them tools to grow and serve customers better. This merchant-first approach became the company's DNA. By understanding retailers' challenges, Pine Labs built trust and loyalty from the ground up. Their vision: a smart, unified point-of-sale terminal that could do much more than just process payments. This principle of serving merchants first would drive Pine Labs' widespread adoption and long-term success. The journey from niche solutions to industry leader began with a simple, powerful idea. Pine Labs' story is one of innovation rooted in real-world needs. Pine Labs is a technology company that makes payments effortless for merchants and customers alike. When a customer pays, Pine Labs' terminal securely captures and encrypts the data, sending it across networks to complete the transaction in seconds. Acting as a universal translator, Pine Labs connects merchants, banks, and card networks seamlessly. Reliability is key. A failed transaction means a lost sale, so Pine Labs ensures millions of payments go through smoothly every day. But it's more than just payments. Pine Labs terminals offer features like instant EMIs at checkout, letting customers split big purchases into easy installments. These integrations with banks and financial institutions turn a simple device into a powerful sales tool. Merchants also gain access to valuable anonymized data, helping them track sales trends, manage inventory, and understand customer preferences. Pine Labs technology doesn't just process payments, it provides the intelligence businesses need to thrive. For merchants, it's a platform for growth, not just a payment machine. Pine Labs is redefining what's possible at the point of sale. Pine Labs' journey from startup to industry leader is marked by bold moves and smart partnerships. The real breakthrough came when Pine Labs shifted focus to retail payments, deploying smart cloud-based terminals across India. Instead of competing with banks, Pine Labs partnered with them, offering its technology as a service. This collaboration allowed rapid scaling, reaching merchants nationwide, from big cities to remote towns. Strategic investments fueled innovation and expansion, including new digital payment options and international growth. By the early 2020s, Pine Labs had become a vital part of the country's economic infrastructure. Its success was built on solving real merchant problems and earning trust, one transaction at a time. Pine Labs grew from a single idea into an ecosystem powering billions in commerce. To understand Pine Labs, look at the tools it offers merchants. The modern Pine Labs POS terminal is more than a payment device. It's a command center for in-store commerce. It accepts all major cards, digital wallets, and contactless payments, ensuring no customer is turned away. Value-added services like instant EMIs, loyalty programs, and gift card management are built in, once only available to big retailers. Pine Labs QR code solutions let merchants accept payments from multiple wallet apps with a single code, simplifying operations. For online businesses, the Plural Payment Gateway enables secure transactions on websites and apps. Quicksilver, Pine Labs' gifting platform, powers gift card programs for thousands of brands. Every product is designed to help merchants run their business more efficiently and reach more customers. Pine Labs offers a comprehensive toolkit for modern commerce. It's not just about payments, it's about empowering merchants to grow. The real impact of Pine Labs is seen in the lives of small business owners. Take an electronics store owner in a Tier 2 city. Once struggling to sell big-ticket items, he now closes more sales by offering instant EMIs through Pine Labs. In a busy city market, a garment shop owner used to spend hours reconciling sales. Now Pine Labs' smart terminal gives her instant, accurate reports, freeing up her time. A small cafe owner launched a loyalty program. Buy 9 coffees, get the 10th free, using Pine Labs' built-in features, turning casual customers into regulars. These tools, once reserved for large chains, are now accessible to every merchant. Pine Labs brings order to daily chaos, helping business owners focus on what matters most, serving customers and growing their business. For many, the Pine Labs terminal is more than hardware. It's a silent partner in their success. This is technology democratizing opportunity, one shop at a time. Across the country, stories like these are multiplying. Pine Labs is not just facilitating payments, it's transforming how small businesses compete and thrive. The corner shop revolution is real, and it's powered by Pine Labs. Every transaction tells a story of empowerment. Technology is leveling the playing field for merchants everywhere. That's the Pine Labs difference in action. India's shift from cash to digital payments was a massive challenge. Pine Labs played a key role, making digital payments simple and accessible for merchants and customers alike. By unifying multiple payment methods into one device, Pine Labs removed friction and encouraged adoption. During critical moments like the 2016 demonetization, Pine Labs rapidly deployed terminals, helping businesses stay afloat. Every digital transaction creates a record, bringing small businesses into the formal economy. This financial footprint helps merchants build credit histories and access loans. Pine Labs' impact goes beyond convenience. It's fostering inclusion and transparency. The company has helped millions embrace digital payments, driving growth from the ground up. Pine Labs is a catalyst for a more connected, prosperous economy. In a crowded fintech landscape, Pine Labs stands out for its merchant-first philosophy. While others built consumer apps, Pine Labs focused on solving merchants' real problems. Its open platform invites banks, financial institutions, and brands to integrate, creating a powerful network effect. Pine Labs offers unmatched value-added services, multi-bank EMIs, loyalty programs, gift cards, and analytics, all from one device. This transforms the payment terminal into a revenue-generating tool, not just a cost center. Cloud-based technology allows instant updates and rapid adaptation to market needs. Pine Labs' unique blend of empathy, collaboration, and innovation sets it apart. It's not just a payments company, it's a partner in merchants' growth. That's what makes Pine Labs a leader in the fintech jungle. As commerce evolves, Pine Labs is shaping the future. The goal isn't just more transactions, it's to become the indispensable operating system for commerce. Pine Labs is building a seamless omni-channel experience, blending online and offline shopping for merchants and customers. Harnessing vast transaction data, the company aims to offer predictive insights, like inventory management and targeted promotions. International expansion is underway, bringing Pine Labs' proven model to new markets. The vision to be a global leader, empowering businesses everywhere to connect and grow. Pine Labs is expanding into new services, loans, insurance, and more, directly through its platform. By leveraging deep merchant relationships and rich data, Pine Labs is set to enable prosperity for millions. The future of commerce is here, and Pine Labs is leading the way.